model, 68-plate Toyota Proace Dispatch Expert Comfort 2.0 HDI starts drives needs head gasket repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 178925. MOT, the 10th of October 2025. Engine, 1997 cc 2.0 D120 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Straightforward head gasket replacement job, no VAT, absolute bargain, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119